Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul. On this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace the lights. This over here was your turn signal light / parking light, and then we have our headlight at low beam, high beam. They are the same unit, as well as this is the side marker light. So to get to the headlight, you just need to twist this cap, quarter turned counterclockwise, and you can pull that out. And then we have the light in here. We're going to undo this electrical connector just by squeezing and pulling out. And then you'll be able to twist the holding bracket that holds the light element in. And this is the light removed. And we have the double elements in there to be able to be replaced. And so what you're going to do is you're going to get a new light, in which this one is an H13. So you would get a new H13 to replace it. It's all housed in this whole housing, and so we don't remove any of this. We buy this as one whole unit. And then you're going to install the H13. You're going to note that you've got different tabs that you want to line up in the hole. There you go. Twist that a quarter turn to the clockwise to lock it into place, and then put the electrical connector back on, and then we'll put this cap back in and twist that to the right to lock that into place to keep the moisture out. That's how you replace your headlight, and that is the high beam, low beam headlight. It's all in one unit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.